I'm gonna make a wood burner from an old gas bottle, 1 wheel, 2 wheels and 3 wheels. First of all, we have to cut the gas bottle in half. Make sure there's no gas in it, cut off all the ancillary bits, and make an ash pan. I cut it out with the jigsaw, and we weld a hinge on. So it's hinged. And a catch, so it stays up. At the moment it's upside down. Oh dear. So I trim it to suit and put a slot in it for the catch. I bet it'll work, I hope so. Oh, that's my welder. And I'll go weld some legs on. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh. So I'm just tacking them on at this stage, so make sure they're all in the right place. Then we'll finish the welding up afterwards. And now I'm going to make like little adjustable air vents to allow the air into the wood burner. You know, fires require oxygen. Always have a bucket of water nearby, cool it down quickly, or in case you have a fire. Don't want that. So now I'm trimming it all off, all the little bits and pieces. You've got to make sure it's smooth, you know. No, don't want metal splinters. You cut your fingers off. This is the threaded arrangement I'm going to use so we can adjust the air entering the wood burner. Yeah. I'm just winging it, you know. I think, that'll do, that'll work. Now stick it together with a welder. Just the threaded rod, and you see now, look, it screws up and down. Oh, that's clever. That does need a few extra little holes to let a bit more air in. And I'll weld it onto the side of the old gas bottle, which I made some little slots and holes in it to let the air in. Look at that, that was cool, wasn't it? Oh, so you have to remove more ancillary parts of the wheels because, you wouldn't get much wood in if they're in the way, would you? No. So we chop them all out, and I'm welding it to the gas bottle. Yes, that I am. And the gas bottle is basically the ash pan with the grate in. You've got to have a grate, put your wood on, didn't you? There you go, look at that. Ooh. Now we're cutting the top out, and that part is going to be for the lid. I already have a lid off my old wood burner. There it is. I'm going to plonk that on the top. That'll do. Now, there's all these holes. What are we going to do with them? I know, we'll block them up. We'll weld lumps of metal over the top. And oh my god, I used a lot of welding rods on that, I did. I had to weld on both sides to make it gas tight. Like all the way around, we had to go make sure it's all gas tight. You can't have holes in it, no. Be drawn in all over the place. You won't be able to control the fire. And this hole I'm cutting in is for the flue. Yeah. A big pipe is going to attach and it's going to go out of the roof, it is. And now we're welding in the top air vent. And that top air vent is very important. It allows oxygen into the top of the wood burner, into the centre of the fire. Don't I tell you, you will be able to burn sawdust on this wood burner. It's special. It's going to work, you know. Look at that. Oh, very Daft Punk, wouldn't you say? It's got like a fire. Oh, flames. Pyromania. Oh, that's it. Put it on, see? It's gas tight. It works. That's drawing through the flue now. Yes, it's going to have a bit of a paint up. So it's the strangest looking wood burner I've ever seen, wouldn't you say? Leave it in the comments down below. I'm sure we all would like to know. And I always read your comments, but you probably already know. Oh. And please click like and subscribe and maybe the little bell icon, because then you get a warm fuzzy feeling in your pocket every time I upload another video. And thank you for watching, and ta-ta.